after 1 year of these route may be affected by something floods, here we get another one. This one is called Route may be affected by Central Florida floods. I'm sorry, my L is not good. Let me say that again. Route may be affected by Central Florida. That's better. Anyways, where does it last? Orlando. It's just top stories. We have so many news. Of course, we have some for here. Wait, what's that? What's that? Sarasota. Okay. Have no one just on the Lake Monroe of Santa Fe. Another one in near Dumpart. Wait, is it? No, Bruno. Sorry. Here's another one at Punta Gorda. And another one right at there's actually two of them, and they're in Cape Coral. I'll wait, stay updated, because we could see South Carolina floods next. So, be prepared on that. Before I end the video, here's what is Ian doing now. He's still a post-crop cyclone. He just got into Scottsburg. Let me check on Google Maps. Oops, that's not Google Maps. It's just in Scottsburg. It's still in Virginia. But it could be near Kentucky. Wait, is it in Kentucky? Oh, it's probably in Kentucky by now or something. No, it's in Virginia, I don't believe you. Okay, it's a post-crop cyclone at Brookville. Okay, now we get it. Anyways, that was wrap it up. So once South Carolina's floods get issued, I'll keep you updated on that. And also, this possibly could be the final update for Leon. Oh well. Goodbye. Also, stay safe.